Hi, I'm Andrew. Today I have a secret how to stop your hiccup immediately. It is very simple, but you must know what to do. I'll share you the secret. Now, if you have hiccup, you will feel very uneasy. So if you have hiccup, what you need to do is you just have to press here, this part, okay, this part, okay, just press it and it will disappear. As simple as that. Okay, so whenever you have hiccup, just put your hand here and where the spine is just beside. Try it. If it works, just give your comments. Thank you.